Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, our life journey. It's official, you guys. We finally moved into our apartment. We sold the house, and that is why I have been MIA for what has been like 2 weeks. But I did take a little snippets here and there of our house, and let me share with you guys what our house looked like completely empty. And there you have it. So it has definitely been super busy. And you guys, I know we are on this carnivore challenge, 8-week carnivore challenge. And I'm gonna tell you right now, I was not keeping up with it. All of the moving, you guys, I had things in boxes. I had to put things away. I didn't have pots and pans. I was literally just taking it one day at a time, eating out, and I definitely put some weight on me. Oh, it has definitely been a journey to say the least. So thank you, Lord Jesus. We are here in this apartment. We're still putting things away. Okay, not even close to being finished, but one day at a time, little by little. Now I do have a gym here at the apartment. If you guys hear noise in the background, Callan is still putting things away. Like he's building things. So love my hubby. So I want to get back on track. Like I said, put some weight on. My clothes are not fitting. I have arthritis. I have acne again. Yeah, I need to get back on it. So I apologize for being MIA for like 2 weeks. I don't do good recording and trying to pack everything. If you guys know me by now, like I literally take it as it comes. So if you guys want me to do like an apartment tour after everything is put away and nice and, clean, leave a comment down below. Do you guys want to do an apartment tour? Okay. Now, I definitely want to do strict carnivore. As in, today's my first day. It's Monday. It's actually what? April 20th. Okay. I only drink tea. There's like a detox tea that I've been drinking, so only liquids. I do have some pork chops, some pork belly that I have thawing because I have to portion it out, but I think tonight I'm craving pork belly, and you know that's one of my obsessions. So while that's thawing, I'm like, you know what? Let's head over to the gym because seriously, I need to look at this. Okay? I need to get toned up, you guys. So, but I want to hear from you guys. How has your 8-week challenge been looking? And you guys, don't feel, what's the word I'm looking for? Embarrassed or like, oh, I can't share. You guys, life happens. You have to take it one day at a time. I mean, look at me. All right. I fell off the wagon, but I'm getting back on. This is life. So if you guys are struggling, hey, I'll jump in the boat with you, or you jump in my boat because we can row together. It's just, yeah. Anyway, I want to hear from you guys. Leave a comment down below. How are you all doing? Have you lost weight? Have you seen any improvements? Have you fallen off the wagon as well? So we still have a little whiles to go, and I'm definitely doing myself a challenge. I have an engagement in 3 weeks, and my dresses are not fitting. So hence me going to the gym. I want to go every single day outside of Sunday. Okay, Sunday is God's day and family day. So I want to see what I can do. I will be sharing with you guys some gym moments here and there. You guys, I'm back. I needed a little break. I needed to put things away in my apartment, but I am back. All right, like I said, thawing, I'm heading over to the gym. So let's get straight to it. This is what the gym is looking like. And it's awesome because nobody's here. So we got treadmills, we have the steps. I have, I'm kind of scared to do that one. You have the leg press, you have a bunch of things. Here on this side, we have treadmills, or I'm sorry, bikes, elliptical. What I'm excited, hello, is this. I want to do some rowing. So you guys, I have yet to learn everything, but you know what? Let's just get started. You guys will now see my belly fat, but it's okay. You know what? I'm gonna take it as it comes, one day at a time. Oh, let's see here. Does it start on? Oh, okay, it started. Let's start at 25, let's see. Oh, this is gonna be hard. I don't have no upper strength. Oh, hold on. There's 10 pounds. Starting slow and easy. This is my first time in the gym in I don't know how long. Oh, much better. Again, we'll start 25. Oh, actually 25 is not bad. $25. Oh, that's the stairs. All right, I'm done with the gym, in the car with hubby. We actually left our grill at the house. So it was old, it was dingy. I mean, it was very much used. So we're actually going to go to Home Depot, no, Lowe's, to see if we can find a new grill. That's going to be very interesting. And I do want a few extra little details on there. So we'll see if I can find it. But you guys, this is our life, right? Our life journey. One day at a time. So let's see what we can find at Lowe's. This one's nice. Hubby found some more. Well, the last one we had was pretty small. I mean, it's just me and Callan. There's a lot to pick from. I did not think they would have such variety. You guys, I think we have a winner. Callan really loves this. So it has, you can do the propane, charcoal, and even this one has a chamber. Honey, open this one. Okay, so you guys, there's 3 compartments and 2 different ways you can cook with this. It is a little bit more on the pricey side, but to be honest, like I'm thinking to do some brisket and like charcoal. I don't know. We're tempted. You guys actually completely changed directions. We are getting this one. So definitely different than the Weber that I've had before, which we were thinking about Weber, but we're gonna go with this one. It's got a small little grill on the side. You have all of these options. It even comes with a griddle down there. So I'm going to get a normal grill, but then check it out. I'm so excited. So we've been browsing. I think we've been here for almost like an hour. You guys, I'm gonna get this smoker. OMG. So I'm getting a grill and this amazing looking smoker because I do want to have like smoked salmon. I'm gonna try some jerky, brisket. So yeah, Kellen is actually over there paying right now, and we will see how this all turns out. So stay tuned. We just got home not too long ago and hubby is already putting things together. It's gonna be so nice, so stay tuned. Even though hubby is actually putting the grill and the smoker together, I'm preheating my Thyphur air fryer and I'm going to cut up some pork belly for tonight. All right, so it was like 4 strips. They were a lot more fatty, so I did thaw out. I do have to portion these out, hence that's why they've been on the counter all day, but I do have a nice portion here. Let's get it in the air fryer. But air fryer is nice and preheated. Let's just flatten everything out. There we go, nice and flat. Let's go. In the meantime, hubby is working hard to get it done. Let's check them out. Ooh, a little bit more. I forgot to mention that after about like 5 minutes, I did lower it to 350 because I did not want to burn them. But let's take a look and see how they're doing. They are done. Oh yeah, they look amazing. And I'm still gonna do that salt, the 2-bowl salt method. Put some pork belly. Add some salt. Mix. And that's it. Pork belly is done, nice and crispy. And check this out. All of this amazing fat. Ooh, but I have to let it cool down. In the meantime, I had to put some of these pork bellies. Yeah, almost done. I have a hard-working husband. I can't believe he put that thing together. As you can see, it's like dark outside, so we're not gonna be able to use it, but stay tuned for another video because I will be trying some different recipes, especially now that I have a smoker. Here's a closer look of what it actually looks like. You close it. This is a pit boss. You have the vent on top. You put the pallets in the back. This is digital, so you can actually look on your phone and set the temperature, the time, everything on your phone. This is so cool. Good job, honey. All right, guys, that's it for this video. Kellen is almost done with this. We still have that big grill to do, which stay tuned for another video. If you guys want to see him put it together, stay tuned. But this is today. Back on Carnivore, did the gym, got a grill and a cooker, slow cooker. Yeah. So that's it. But till our next video, love you all. God bless you. Have a beautiful, blessed day. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Bye.